Our project is Android-based self-defense application for mistreated and at-risk people. Nowadays, we see that there is a huge rise in the robbery, kidnapping, and at risk of women's safety. So, to solve this problem, we have come up with a solution which will help victim to notify guardian when he or she is in danger and help in rescuing them. So, this is victim's interface. When the victim will open the application, the Google voice recognition service will open where he has to give a voice command. But beforehand, the number of the guardian has to be set. The victim can also save second and third number as well. The threshold has to be set for the voice recognition. Now when the number is set, application is opened, the Google service opens. So there the voice command has to be given. Danger.
Need help, the person is in problem. 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 Need help.
This is how the alert message is received by the guardian. Guardian may request for the current photo, which will be automatically captured and uploaded, and the uploaded photo link will be sent to the guardian. The guardian may also request for the current location of the victim. So when that message is received, the GPS gets active and the location of the victim will be automatically sent to the guardian through the SMS service. Now we see in the messages that the photo link has been automatically sent, the location is message is received, the victim application will automatically send the victim's location to the guardian. This was about victim's interface. Now we'll see the guardian's application interface. The guardian can enter the victim's phone number and can request for the current situation picture of the victim by clicking on the photo button. This button will send a photo SMS to the victim's number and capture and upload that into the cloud and send the link. The link has been received by the guardian. We'll see in the messages that after clicking on the link, we can see the picture that is uploaded by the victim's application. The guardian can also request for the current location of the victim by clicking on the LOC button. This button will send a message LOC to the victim's phone number and will automatically open the Google Map on the guardian's phone about the location of the victim. This Google Map open after the location of the victim is received. The guardian can also send an emergency information to the hospital or the police station regarding the victim situation and location. We can see that the message has been sent. The guardian can also search for the police station or hospitals that are nearby. We can see that the nearby police stations have been identified. We can see the location of that particular police station by clicking on that. So this is how our project helps women and children at risk. Thank you.